2024 Mazda CX-90. Welcome guys, where automotive passion and innovation collide. Today we are excited to present to you the much anticipated introduction of the new Mazda CX-90 for 2024. Get ready to embark on a journey of style, performance, interior, exterior, engine, transmission, cargo, price, fuel economy, safety, driver assistance features, and advanced technology as we dive into the world of the Mazda CX-90. First of all, know about its engine, transmission, and performance. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 is powered by a turbocharged 3.0 liters inline-six engine that produces 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. It is available with front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. The CX-90 gets an EPA estimated 22 mph in the city and 28 mph on the highway. The engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The CX-90 has a smooth and comfortable ride and is quick and agile when needed. The engine is quiet and refined, and it provides plenty of power for passing and merging. The CX-90 is available with a variety of driving modes, including normal, sport, and off-road. The normal mode is the best choice for everyday driving, while the sport mode provides a more engaging driving experience. The off-road mode is designed for driving in rough terrain. The CX-90 is a great choice for families who are looking for a stylish and luxurious SUV with a comfortable ride and plenty of space. It is also a good choice for those who want an SUV that is both fun to drive and fuel efficient. Now let's move on to its interior, powertrain, and price. The CX-90 is powered by a turbocharged 3.0 liters inline-six engine that produces 280 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. The CX-90 has a spacious and comfortable interior with seating for up to 7 people. It comes standard with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 starts at $47,250. Let's know its range, charging, and battery life. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 PHEV has an EPA estimated all-electric range of 26 miles and a total range of 490 miles. It can be charged using a standard 120-volt outlet or a 240-volt outlet. Charging times vary depending on the outlet type, but it takes about 6 hours to fully charge the battery using a 240-volt outlet. The CX-90 PHEV comes standard with a 17.8 kWh battery pack. The battery pack is located under the floor of the cargo area, which reduces cargo space. However, the CX-90 PHEV still has enough cargo space to accommodate a family's needs. The CX-90 PHEV is a great choice for families who are looking for a fuel-efficient SUV with a long range. The CX-90 PHEV can easily handle daily commutes and longer road trips without having to worry about running out of power. Now let's move on to its safety and driver assistance features. All CX-90s go with a setup of driver help features called iActive Sense, which consolidates motorized emergency dialing back, weak side checking, and anything is possible from that point. For additional information about the CX-90's mishap test results, visit the Public Street Traffic Security Association, NHTSA, and Assurance Starting Point for Highway Prosperity, IHS, destinations. Key security features include: first is standard motorized emergency dialing back with bystander revelation, second is standard weak side noticing, and third is standard adaptable excursion control. Let's know its fuel economy and real-world MPG. The 2024 Mazda CX-90 is a new 3-row SUV that is powered by a turbocharged 3.0 liters inline-six engine. The EPA estimated fuel economy for the CX-90 is 22 mph in the city and 28 mph on the highway. However, real-world fuel economy can vary depending on a number of factors, including driving style, road conditions, and cargo weight. Thank you for joining us today as we unveiled the remarkable Mazda CX-90 2024. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, reviews, and updates from the world of automotive excellence. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Bye-bye.